This is a white air purifier. It's got a hidden camera right inside here. This is a white air purifier, fully functional, very stylish, for a modern home. It's got a hidden camera in the grill here. It's got a built-in 32 gigabyte SD card that can record up to about 50 hours. You can set it up on motion though and get quite a few weeks of recording. And another thing I like about it, it's powered. I always like AC power. You basically get it set up and you don't have to worry about it again. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to spicecenter.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.